We just came through the high water on the one trail back to the bridge. Water's all in the woods here. Lewis is going to go ahead of me. He's going to hang a left, go to the cookout area. I've never seen water in the woods like this. Of course, I can't remember being back here like that. But cookout area, the fire pit and everything, it's all been moved. Look at it all. It's all been washed around. Oh man, the water is right up under the bridge. This is cool. Yeah, I'm going to be there in a minute. Stuff been washed. It's just not as bad as I thought it was.